Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to power of negative x to power of x is equal to 2 to power of square root of 2 to find the value of x. In the first step, we raise both sides of this equation to power of negative 1. So we write in here x to power of negative x to power of x to power of negative 1 is equal to 2 to power of square root of 2 to power of negative 1. So, as you know, if we have, right in here, a to power of m to power of n, this is equal to a to power of n to power of m and is equal to a to power of m times n, right? So, in here, from this formula, we can write this as x to power of negative x to power of x times this negative 1 is equal to 2 to power of negative 1 and to power of square root of 2, right? So, in here, this negative 1 times this negative, it will be positive, so it will be x to power of x to power of x and is equal to 2 to power of negative 1, it will be 1 over 2 and to power of square root of 2. In here, be careful that this negative x to power of x, right in here, negative x to power of x, in here, this, is not equals to negative x to power of x, okay? This negative x to power of x is equal to negative 1 times x to power of x, right? So, in here, this negative x to power of x times this negative 1 times negative 1, it will be positive, so it will be x to power of x, right? So, in next step, in here, we have x to power of x to power of x is equal to 1 over 2 to power of square root of 2. We can write square root of 2 as 2 times 1 over square root of 2, right? Right in here. 2 times 1 over square root of 2, it will be, we can write 2 as square root of 2 times square root of 2 and times 1 over square root of 2. This will cancel this and it will be square root of 2, right? So, in here we write this square root of 2 as 2 times 1 over square root of 2 and it will be x to power of x to power of x is equal to, we take these two inside the bracket and it will be 1 over 2 to power of 2 and to power of 1 over square root of 2, right? And it will be x to power of x to power of x is equal to 1 over 2 to power of 2, it will be 1 over 4 and to power of 1 over square root of 2. In here, 1 over the square root of 2, we can write this as square root of 1 over 2, right? And this is equal to 1 over 2 to power of 1 over 2. In here, we write this square root as power of 1 over 2. So, we write in here, this 1 over square root of 2 as 1 over 2 to power of 1 over 2. And in next step, it will be x to power of x is equal to 1 over 4 to power of, in here we have 1 over 2. We can write this 1 over 2 as 2 times 1 over 4, right? So we write in here 1 over 2 to power of 2 times 1 over 4. And we take these two inside the bracket and it will be x to power of x to power of x is equal to 1 over 4 to power of 1 over 2 to power of these two and to power of 1 over 4, right? And it will be x to power of x to power of x is equal to 1 over 4 to power of 1 over 2 to power of 2, it will be 1 over 4 and to power of this 1 over 4. So, x to power of x to power of x is equal to 1 over 4 to power of 1 over 4 to power of 1 over 4. So in here, by comparing both sides of this equation, we write in here, x is equal to 1 over 4. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.